Amid the growing criticism over the special intensive revision of the voter rolls, Congress leader and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is all set to embark on his voter Adhikar Yatra. Now, a bit fact about the Yatra that is going to be starting from Bihar. 16-day march, which starts at 11:30 a.m., is aimed at championing the electoral reforms and exposing the alleged manipulations in the voter list. From Dehri of the Western Rohtas district from today, RJD leaders Lalu Prasad Yadav, Tejashwi Yadav and others are going to also join the Yatra. The journey will conclude with a big rally of the Grand Alliance to be held at Gandhi Maidan in Patna on the 1st of September. Anand Singh, in fact, joins me for more details. Anand, as you continue to track these developments from the opposition, more importantly, the Congress in Bihar, how exactly the bonhomie between the Indie bloc as well at this point of time for alleging the vote theft in the recently concluded elections in many states is coming along, and the stand for which the Indie bloc has also in fact given similar statements is coming right now in this Yatra.
Yes, Simran, look, just from today, we are standing at the Sasaram's Biada ground from where Rahul Gandhi will be starting his Matdata Adhikar Yatra, that the party has said voters' right yatra. So clearly, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, will be coming over here. Along with him will be Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, whereas from RJD, that is the Mahagathbandhan partner, Tejashwi Yadav will be also here, along with several other Grand Alliance partners in Bihar. So especially given the fact that the way in which India bloc had cornered the government over the issue of the alleged vote theft and SIR, the opposition has looked united during the monsoon session of parliament, and the bonhomie, especially between the India bloc partners on this issue of vote theft as well as the issue of a special intensive revision of the voter rolls, has been seen during the crucial monsoon session of parliament. So clearly, all the opposition parties have been targeting the election commission, the way it has been functioning and why it was not giving the digital readable format data with the opposition parties, why it was not ready to share the same, and also why it was not responding to 5 of the questions that Rahul Gandhi has posed. So clearly Rahul Gandhi had hosted a dinner of all the India bloc 4 leaders at his residence on August 7th, the day he made a very big allegation on the election commission through his detailed press conference, in which he has alleged that how there were vote thefts during the Lok Sabha elections, and he cited the example of Bangalore Central Lok Sabha seat and especially Mahadevpura assembly seat within the same Lok Sabha constituency, alleging that how 1 lakh fake voters were added over there. So clearly he gave that detailed presentation to all the India bloc partners, and all the India bloc partners, we have seen that in the recent weeks how they have mobilized behind the Congress to target the election commission and also target the BJP-led central government at the center, and they also demanded for a detailed discussion on the SIR as well as the vote theft issue. So clearly the opposition is looking united, especially on this issue, as there is a very crucial assembly polls in Bihar later this year that is scheduled in the month of October and November. So clearly the opposition is looking united just ahead of this crucial yatra that Rahul Gandhi is all set to kick start from Sasaram here, that will cover at least 21 districts in the Bihar and covering a distance of 1300 km in the span of 16 days before the yatra concludes at Ara in Bihar, Veer Kunwar Singh Stadium, and then a very big mega rally has been planned in Patna's Gandhi Maidan on September 1, where all the top leaders of the Mahagathbandhan as well as Congress and from the India bloc partners, they are all set to attend that grand rally that will be held in Patna on September 1. Back
All
to you,
right,
Simran.
Anand.